This quick video I am going to show you how you can play Monopoly Go on BlueStacks. So first of all, go to BlueStacks.com, which is their official website, and then download BlueStacks. Alright, and then click this link here, open file, and it will begin the setup process. Once your BlueStacks is ready, make sure to connect your Play Store account with BlueStacks using the email ID you have signed in on your Play Store. Alright, you can find it on the top right corner. And once that is connected to your Play Store account, then search for Monopoly Go and click on the first link and then download the game. Alright, you can also do this here. Let me show you the Monopoly Go and just click install and it will be installed on your BlueStacks. And then you can enjoy your game on your PC. And that's all there is to it, and I'll see you in the next video.